Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is a quick video on how to buy a forex VPS. There are many companies out there that with which you can get or buy your forex VPS, but this company I'm going to introduce you to has been very reliable when it comes to offering quality service for forex traders who use VPS. Now, what is a forex VPS? Now, for forex traders, a forex VPS or a VPS, which is virtual private server, is a visual computer that functions independently just as a real computer function. What do we use a VPS for? A VPS is used to host forex robots or forex indicators. Now notice that there are many kinds of VPS. We have the Linux VPS hosting, Windows VPS for people who build websites, cloud platforms, and so much more. But on this video, we are interested on the forex VPS, with which you can use to host your trading robot. Now, how can you choose which VPS company to use? Well, there are many out there. We have the Amazon VPS hosting company and so much more. But for this video, I'm introducing you to the IOZoom. Now, how do you access the IOZoom? All you need to do is you go to your URL, input www.iozoom.com, or you use the link I'll put in the description. That's my referral link. So just click enter, and then there it is. You find yourself at the website of IOZoom. So when you come to the website, the next thing you do is you click on see plans. You allow it to load. When it has opened, you scroll downwards, so you will see forex VPS hosting plans. There are many of the various hosting plans available. You will see their various names: FS2 gig, FS4 gig, FS8 gig, FS12 gig, FS16 gig. There are plenty of them, and each of them has their different RAM capacity. Like this is 2 gig, this is 4 gig. They also have their storage capacity. That is to say, the amount of space you have within this your forex, within this your visual private server. Just like your phone or your laptop computer. For some of you, your CPU is over 200 gig, 500 gig, 1 terabyte. The same thing, the forex VPS you buy, they have their different storage capacity. So this is 30 gigs, the bandwidth is on Meta, the CPU, this and that. So depending on what you intend to do with the VPS, how much you intend to use the VPS will determine which of this storage capacity you should buy. And as you notice, each of them have their different prices for a month. So the least is $10, and that has been the least that you can buy a forex VPS. So it's $10, depending on your country, maybe Ghana, Nigeria, or whatever, will determine how much this $10 is worth in your country. So all you do in order to buy this forex VPS is you click order now. So after clicking the order now, you scroll downwards. You will find the choose billing cycle. You have monthly and 12 months. So if you choose 12 months, you are going to have 1 month free. So if you're choosing 12 months, it means you're going to pay $120, 10 times 12, and they are going to allow you use the VPS for 13 months, since they are giving you 1 month for free. But for me, I prefer using monthly. So just click monthly if you want to use the billing cycle of monthly, or you use 12 months and pay once and use it for 13 months. Now the next thing, you choose a hosting name. You choose a hosting name. So what hosting name am I going to use? So I have here Mela FS. Now you're gonna choose a password. A password that is not less than 8 digits, a combination of alphabet, uppercase, and number. So here I go. I'm inputting my password, and there it is. The operating system they are going to choose, there are many of them. You have the Windows Server 2019, 2016, 2012, 28, and Windows 10 Pro. Please select Windows Server 2012. The reason is because the MT4 is most compatible with 2012. So if you do not choose 2012, you may run the risk of buying a VPS that cannot be able to run your robot, because the robot is installed on the visual private server. So kindly select 2012. Now for the location, many mistake this with the location of your address. If you're from Ghana, you want to choose, you'll be looking for Accra or wherever you stay. If you're from Nigeria, you're looking for Abuja, Lagos, Port Harcourt. Choose a location that is best closest to your broker. So if you're using SNES in Cyprus, of course Cyprus is not here, so you choose a location that you feel is most closer to your broker. But randomly I choose to use Los Angeles or Atlanta. So for this demonstration I'm using Los Angeles. Now note, whichever location you use, it does not matter, but professionally use a location that is closest to your broker. It has nothing to do with your personal location. Alright, so select Windows 2012, location, I choose Los Angeles, and then you click continue. So the next thing is this is a summary of our transaction. We're about to check out. So to check out, if you have any coupon code, you add it, you add your coupon code here. If none, just look at the summary. We are checking out with a $10, which of course is the billing cycle is monthly. If I'm okay with that, I click continue. Alright, so I'm requested to put in my personal information. So the first, I add my personal information, my last name for this demonstration, and then you enter your email address, and then you input your phone number. In this phone number, all you do is, depending on the country you're coming from, you can change it to whichever country you know you're coming from and insert the phone number correctly. So these are the different countries, so you select the one that best match your country. So for me, alright, so the next thing is, if you have a company, you input your company name, you input your street address, city, New York, alright. So after inputting your details, the next thing you do is you will see the SMS number. I am removing the SMS number. I don't need an SMS from IOZoom. If you choose to provide your number for an SMS, you put it here, and then you click accept SMS, and notice an SMS is sent to you. Alright, the next thing is to input a password. Now if you choose generate password, IOZoom will generate a password with which you will use to log into your visual private server. So for me, I choose a password of my choice, still a combination of number and alphabet, uppercase and lowercase. So I repeat the same password, and then I'm good to go. These are the various payment options. We have the credit card and debit card, PayPal, Alipay, Union Pay, Bank Contact, ID, Bitcoin, and Giro Pay. For most persons, it's credit card and PayPal. So for this demonstration, we will use credit card. So all you do is you input your credit card number. Also, you input the expiring dates, the CVV found on the back of your debit or your credit card. And after that, we click I have agreed to the terms and services. So you click complete order. So I'm not going to complete this order because I already have a forex VPS, but if you have already finished all of this, filling all this information, and you click complete order, if your order is successful, you will be debited $10, and after an hour, 2 or even 24 hours, you receive a mail that you have imputed while filling this form. And what will be the content of that mail? So hold on, let me log into my mail and show you how that is like. So IOZoom will send you an email. So you will have your host name, you also have your IP number, your username, and your password. But the details you need is just your IP number, your username, and your password. So with this, you currently own a virtual private server. In my next video, I will show you how to log into your virtual private server. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, kindly give us your comment, and I will be very happy to reply to your comment. And then share the video so that others who are looking for a way to buy a forex VPS and the steps needed could be able to purchase a forex VPS within a few seconds. So thank you again, and kindly subscribe if you are yet to, and I'll see you in the next video.